η Εύα. A very useful verb to learn is the verb to go. In Greece, we use two verbs. The verb πηγαίνω, which is conjugated as the verbs έχω, κάνω, θέλω, and the verb πάω, which is conjugated as the verb μιλάω. Since the verb πάω, it is used more often, this is what we are going to learn in this lesson. So, let's take a look how this verb is conjugated. Πάω, πας, πάει, πάμε, πάτε, πάνε. So, let's take a look at some examples. Πάω σπίτι. I'm going home. Πάμε θέατρο στις 8. We are going to the theater at 8. Πάμε βόλτα. Shall we go for a walk? Πού πας? Where do you go? Πού πάτε? Where do you go? Also, this verb is used in combination with the preposition για, which means for. Let's see some examples. Πάω για μπάνιο. I'm going for a swim. Πάω για ύπνο. I'm going to sleep. Πάει για ψώνια. He or she is going for shopping. Πάμε για καφέ. Shall we go for a coffee? Πάμε για φαγητό. We are going to eat out. Now you know many sentences to start practicing and asking questions. Γεια σας!